And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And those stubborn clouds kept us a little bit cooler through about early afternoon, but eventually the sun has come out with a mix of sunshine and clouds at this 5 o'clock hour. Current temperature in the Springs at 64 degrees. Check out the Cam in Pueblo, my friends. It is rocking and rolling this afternoon. Some very gusty winds coming in from the southern plains and southern areas, especially down towards the Raton Mesa, funneling up into I-25, or I should say I-25 and Highway 50. Right now, winds at 25 miles per hour. Humidity down under 10%. The actual air temperature at 71. Not as windy a little bit farther west in Canyon City, but just as mild practically with a current temperature at 65. So what we're dealing with is a very large and powerful springtime system. Cold front expected to move in from the north early tomorrow morning. Area of low pressure now spinning into parts of Arizona. This is going to move east, and the latest model is keeping it a little bit farther south than what we were seeing yesterday. So we've definitely tweaked some of the impacts here, especially when it comes to who sees the snow and how much accumulation here in southern Colorado. Let's give you a breakdown of what we see for now with this storm. We'll be on weather alert tomorrow, likely Tuesday as well. The big story, the potential for damaging gusts in the 40 to 60 mile per hour range. And now I think the heaviest snow and the blowing snow threat south of Highway 50, where we will see poor visibility at times tomorrow due to that combination of snow and wind. Now, even though we won't see as much snow here into the Pikes Peak region, we are under a high wind warning, as is Crowley County and Pueblo County, starting tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. That's when the cold front rushes through the area. And again, gusts could be as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour coming from the north. So if you're traveling on any east-west roadways, be advised those crosswinds can produce some dangerous driving conditions, especially for larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. Pink shaded areas under winter storm warnings tomorrow. Tomorrow, the purple is a winter weather advisory. Those go into effect at 6 a.m. and continue through early Tuesday mornings. Take a look at the wind. Still this evening coming out of the south, and it looks like another burst expected for the eastern plains. Then comes the cold front Monday morning, and check out the latest modeling, especially in this area, El Paso County, east into the plains. Gust around 40 to 60 miles per hour. Not as strong around Canyon City, but also very gusty out into the eastern plains, where they will see some snow showers throughout the day on Monday and into Monday night. So now let's talk about the arrival of the energy. You can see maybe a little bit of snow building into the Palmer Divide and Teller County by around 7, 8 o'clock, and then that snow spreads southward. But we're not expected to see much from Colorado Springs to Pueblo because of that north wind. That is that snow eater as the air moves down in elevation. Moisture not as widespread as what we'll see down to the south towards the Raton Mesa. Then the models show another little weak wave, maybe a few flurries, possible light snow shower heading into Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Now let's talk snow totals. Again, weakest in the lower elevations from the Springs to Pueblo, highest amounts around Walsenburg and Trinidad. Those spots could see between 3 and 7 inches, 7 to 10 possible for La Vida, and a trace to 1 or 2 possible in the Springs and Pueblo. And I think in this area, the Pikes Peak region, again, some areas might not see anything. Some areas could see an inch or two by the time Tuesday night rolls around. Your lows tonight dropping down to the 20s and 30s. Highs tomorrow, they're not going to be very warm. They're going to be down about 20 to 30 degrees from what we saw today. And we will be weather alert. Take a look at the super 7-day forecast. Very strong gust of wind. The heaviest snow locally here, I think, would be up towards the Palmer Divide and Teller County. Still some snow showers and gusty winds Tuesday, windy Wednesday before a much improved end to your 7-day forecast. For Pueblo, 40s through Tuesday with wind and maybe a little bit of rain and snow mixed at times. Still gusty Wednesday and then warming up by next weekend. Canyon City, it's a rough start to the 7-day forecast, but we are looking good by next weekend with 70s expected throughout Fremont County. And for Woodland Park, snow and blowing snow on Monday. Still some additional snow showers Tuesday before we dry things out heading towards the weekend.